made it to my weekend getaway at Ratcliff Lake Recreation Area in Davy Crockett National Forest. Just look at this beautiful lake behind me. Let's get camp set up. All right, the tent's all set up. Let's go check it out. And look how cozy that is. Got the pillows, got the sleeping bag all set up, and the sleeping pad. Man, I can't wait to tuck into bed tonight. All right, I'm feeling pretty hungry, so let's get out a snack. All right, let's give it a try. We'll go for some sage derby first. That is some great cheese. Let's try the herb cheese. I think this one's gonna be pretty good. Kind of tastes a little bit like an everything bagel, which I love. All right, so here's what's for dinner. We got some flank steak and chimichurri, some potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and some onions, peppers, and green onions. These are all ingredients that are gonna go into a delicious quesadilla. So let's get cooking. Bon appetit. All right, let's get the fire going. I've got a little teepee right here. I've got some paper towels that were my trash, a few matchsticks in there. So that should catch, and then we can build it up and put a bigger log on. So let's go ahead and light it. All right, we've got a little fire going. Thanks to an Amazon box. Some cardboard always helps. Now the sticks are catching. Soon we'll throw a log on there, and then it will be time for s'mores. Yep, still good. Time to do some reading, and then off to bed. And if you were curious about what I was reading, it's the Atlas of the National Parks. I've been to 23 of them. There's 63, I believe, in total. So I'm gonna read about some more and hopefully plan some trips to visit all of them in the future. All right, we're all ready for bed. Good night. Well, good morning from my little cocoon. It got down to about 40 degrees last night. But my sleeping bag and my sleeping pad kept me nice and warm, which was amazing. So let's go get something to eat. Alright, so here's my creation for breakfast. Just a simple steak quesadilla. Same steak from last night. I didn't feel like cracking an egg. This is gonna be good. It's really good. A little hot sauce makes all the difference. Well, we made it through. The Trail Tamers Trail is being tamed right now. Really enjoying this hike so far. It's been pretty short, which is great. Not much elevation change, just in the trees, real pretty. Now we're on a boardwalk. It's nice and relaxing. You hear the birds chirping, a nice breeze. I'm a fan. So this shelter was built by the CCC, I think in the 30s, and it is definitely a hallmark of their design. Just look at that stone chimney. That's cool. Let's go look at the inside. This lake was made in the 20s by a logging company, and they used it to float logs down to their mill, which the ruins are somewhere around here. I'm not gonna find it, but now it's just a beautiful recreation area. Got lots of firewood for tonight. Hopefully we can get a good fire going. Honestly, this is a really nice campsite. It's got a huge open area in the middle, full of squirrels and birds. Really cool to watch. And almost every campsite has a lake view, including mine. I see wildlife. It's a squirrel. Let's see if we can get closer. Look at that. It's going up the tree. There it goes. Up. And it's gone. Alright, I see more wildlife. It's a bird. What's it doing? Alright, let's get dinner started. On tonight's menu is fried rice. So I built the little log cabin fire. It's going much better than last night's teepee. Alright, fire update. I threw in a big log, put some more kindling on there, smaller pieces, and man, this fire is looking about ready for some s'mores. Here we go. I like my s'mores on fire, so. And look at that, perfectly cooked. Now this is what camping's all about. Enjoying some s'mores next to the fire. Doesn't get better than this. Camp is all packed up. That can only mean that it's time to go. I had a great time on this trip. The campsite was beautiful, had some good food, had a good hike yesterday. I would come back here. Well, for now, I'll see y'all on the next adventure.